All right, real talk. What if I told you that you could be feeling exhausted, stressed, or even dealing with muscle cramps? And all of it could be because of one tiny thing you're probably not even thinking about? That's right, magnesium. And trust me, most people are missing out on this powerful mineral without even knowing it. So, in today's video, I'm about to share 17 signs that you might be magnesium deficient. And trust me, you'll want to know what they are before they take a bigger toll on your health. Magnesium plays a crucial role in your body. It's like the behind-the-scenes crew keeping things running smoothly. It's involved in over 300 biochemical reactions, from keeping your heart healthy to helping your muscles and nerves function properly. But if you're low on magnesium, your body starts sending out signals. So, let's break down the top 17 signs you might need more magnesium in your life. 1. Tired all the time. Sign number 1. You're exhausted, even after a full night's sleep. Magnesium helps your body produce energy, so if you're constantly feeling wiped out, it could be that your magnesium levels are in the red zone. 2. Muscle cramps. Ugh, the dreaded leg cramps in the middle of the night. Magnesium helps muscles relax, so if you're waking up with a Charlie horse, magnesium might be the missing piece. 3. Anxiety and stress. You're feeling anxious or stressed all the time. Magnesium is like nature's chill pill. It helps regulate the stress hormone cortisol. So, if you're spiraling for no reason, magnesium could be your hero. 4. Irregular heartbeat. Your heartbeat feels off. A fluttering or irregular heartbeat can be a sign of magnesium deficiency. Magnesium helps keep your heart rhythm steady. So if your ticker's skipping beats, it's time to take notice. 5. Trouble sleeping. You're struggling to get quality sleep. Magnesium helps regulate melatonin, the hormone that controls sleep. So, if you're tossing and turning, this could be the reason why. 6. Headaches and migraines. You're dealing with frequent headaches or migraines. Low magnesium levels are often linked to increased frequency of headaches, especially migraines. Magnesium can help keep those pounding headaches at bay. 7. Weak bones. Weak or brittle bones. Magnesium works with calcium to help strengthen your bones. So, if you're prone to bone issues or fractures, low magnesium could be contributing. 8. Poor digestion. Sign number 8. You're having digestive issues. Magnesium helps with bowel regularity. If you're dealing with constipation or irregularity, magnesium might be just what your gut needs. 9. Mood swings. You're moody or feeling a little more grumpy than usual. Magnesium helps regulate your neurotransmitters, so if you're on an emotional roller coaster, it could be time for a magnesium boost. 10. Nausea and vomiting. You're feeling nauseous or vomiting without a clear reason. Severe magnesium deficiency can mess with your digestive system and lead to those unpleasantries. 11. Fatigue and weakness. General fatigue and weakness. If your muscles feel weak or you feel like you're dragging all day, it could be because you're low on magnesium, which is essential for muscle function. 12. Twitching or spasms. Your eyelids are twitching or your muscles are spasming. If your muscles are twitching without explanation, it's another red flag that your magnesium levels could be low. 13. High blood pressure. Magnesium helps regulate blood pressure. If you're dealing with high BP, a magnesium deficiency might be playing a part in that too. 14. Craving chocolate. You're obsessed with chocolate. Okay, this one's a little fun, but it's true. Magnesium is naturally found in chocolate, so if you're craving it like crazy, your body might be asking for magnesium. 15. Insulin resistance. You're developing insulin resistance or have type 2 diabetes. Magnesium plays a role in blood sugar regulation, and if you're deficient, it can affect how your body uses insulin. 16. Chronic fatigue syndrome. Chronic fatigue syndrome. If you've been feeling tired for months, even after plenty of rest, magnesium deficiency could be a major contributor to that long-lasting fatigue. 17. Difficulty concentrating. Brain fog. You know that feeling when you're trying to focus, but your brain just won't cooperate? Magnesium helps with brain function and cognition, so if you can't focus, it might be time to check your magnesium levels. All right, if you've experienced any of these signs, it's time to give magnesium a little more attention in your life. Whether you're eating magnesium-rich foods like leafy greens, nuts, or dark chocolate, or talking to your doctor about supplements, it's definitely worth checking out. Magnesium is a total game changer for your health, and you definitely don't want to leave it out of the mix. So, if you learned something today, or just want more fun health tips, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another video. Thanks for hanging out, and remember, take care of your body. It's the only one you've got.